My name is Joel Henry. I run the mechanical and software group here at Sparx, plus I run projects. I've been here almost 11 years. Before that, I was mostly at NASA for my career before that, so about half of my career has been at NASA, half has been here. When I started, it was pretty small. There were about 8 to 10 people. Now we're pushing 50. It's kind of slow and steady growth. We've worked on more projects than I can count over the years. A big shift from one launch every 10 years to 10 projects in a year, that kind of thing. Well, I was at NASA for a while, worked on a very large project called the Orion spacecraft. I worked guidance, navigation, and control flight software. Gained a lot of experience, worked with probably some of the smartest people on the planet. But it's a big, slow-moving organization, and at some point you kind of learn all that you can, and you get antsy, and you just want to work on more projects and churn more stuff out. So I made the jump to a really small company at the time that had a lot of very smart people working on interesting projects. Just kind of took a leap, and it was a really good move. Since then I've learned way more than I could have possibly learned staying at NASA. Why work at a company like Sparx? Engineers that are passionate want variety. Working on the same project for year after year can get stale, and it's that's a big reason why companies lose good engineers. It's hard to keep them motivated, and it's hard to keep them constantly challenged. We have some projects that do cover multiple years. We work on a lot of different aspects of those projects, but we also have 2 and 3 month quick turn prototype projects that are a whole lot of fun. You're not going to get that working at a large company, and you're not going to get that working at NASA. We get to work with a lot of startups without being an actual startup, but we also get to work on much larger projects that are huge and infinitely complex, and we work on different subsystems of that, so you still get the big project feel without the permanent isolation that this is all you're going to be working on. Yeah, so why Sparx over another company? It's kind of our diverse perspective. We've worked on so many different projects. We're not industry specific. We've worked in every industry I can think of. And you build that kind of expertise and that kind of broad industry perspective, that is a very unique value. And we apply that to new projects, to startups, to existing companies. We're very creative in how we approach stuff, and you can't get that kind of perspective working on the same thing all the time. The Dallas office move has been our big push over the last couple of years. It's really rolling now, hopefully perfecting it, and then moving on to other cities. Yeah. So that's kind of our mindset right now. It's growing a very similar culture that we've established here in Sparx in Houston in another city. It's a big challenge.